Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the section Wallpaper and Style, the option Wallpaper and Style. Here let's tap on Change Wallpapers, and as you can see we've been transferred to the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got pre-installed options, for example graphical options, colors, etc. So let me choose this one, just tap on the specific wallpaper, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. It's totally up to you. You have to simply mark the option and then tap on Next. I'll choose both. So now in this step we can check the preview of the lock screen right here. We can change it to the home screen just by tapping on this option here, and we can check how it will look like with all of those icons applied. Moreover, we can, at least in this case, we can change the position of the dog and customize it just like you prefer. Here we've got also some kind of effects. So we've got original, you can blur it. I'm not sure what that effect does. Here you can display everything in black and white manner. Yeah, so you can change the background color. I think we will leave this one. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on Apply and tap on Done to finish. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.